So hi everyone, in this video uh, we will see and learn about the new type of shell helper for the Ollama. So which is called as Ollama shell helper. It is an GitHub repo that we can use to automate the shells command execution using the Ollama and Qwen model. Okay, so I will show you that. So first of all, let me show you that there is no folder name as OSH, okay, which is a short form of Ollama shell helper. So actually this is a repo. Okay, so this is a repo which is charin slash OSH. So I will show you that how to install it, right? How to install it and use it with the Ollama and Qwen 2.5 coder model. Okay, so the first step should be to install the Ollama. Okay, so for that we can use, so I'm using Ubuntu, right? So for that we will use curl hyphen fs sl and then https slash Ollama com slash install sh and sure, right? So this is a command, okay, using which we can install the Ollama, right? But I will show you that already I have installed the Ollama, right? So you can see these are the models I have already uh, fetch for uses, right? So for checking which model is running on this, you can check using the Ollama ps command. Okay, so the commands of the Ollama is only 2 or 3 there. So these are the simple. So after that you can guys pull that run Qwen 2.5, right? So this is a way coder 1.5 billion of model, right? Hello, right? So this is a way to start this model, okay, in the background, and it will start using this. Okay, so this is how you can run the model using the Ollama. So in this video what we will going to do, we will fetch a git repo. For that, first of all, what we will do, we will install the git, right? We will install the git so that we can fetch that library from there. So this is a command, okay. So you can see I already git is already in newest version, right? So this is how you can do. Now finally what we will do after doing all of this, we will fetch the, we will clone the git repo, okay, using github.com, and this is a man who has created this fantastic tool, right? So just this, right, receiving object, all this, I like this library actually, right? So you can see OSH has been created there. uh, we need to go inside and you will see like this, okay, you will see these commands, okay. So first of all we need to change the permissions of this Python file, right? After that we will go inside this and look for the Ollama models, okay. Ollama models name, you can see here, instead of Mistral, what I will use Qwen 2.5 hyphen coder, right? 1.5 billion, okay. So we will use this model, okay, instead of the default Mistral model, right? So after doing that you can save this file and we are ready for this, right? And the final thing what I will do, I will take the, okay, I will take the absolute path of this folder and will do one thing, echo right? Alias and OSH to root OSH py file, right? This py file, and then done to our bash rc shell, right? Script, and you can see the bash rc shell, right? Grep OSH, and guys, you can see this it has been added there, right? So after doing all of this, what we will do finally, reload the bash rc, right? Okay, and alias, you can see here in the alias we can have our OSH, right? So first of all, check for the running model. Okay, so you can see the Qwen2.5 coder is running in the background, right? What I will do, OSH simply ask for anything, list out files in current directory, right? Oh, 1 minute. OSH list out files in current directory, right? And it will generate the shell command for us, right? And you can see before execution it will prompt for the permission, right? So we will say why, that means yes, and you can see, right? We will ask it, that's it. We will ask it to create OSH, create a directory in current directory, name as sample testing, right? And change permission to 755. Okay, it will start generating the command, and you can see it shows us two commands, right? Make directory sample testing, and then it's changing the, and you can see it, right? If we go inside this, you can see, right? 755 755, right? So this is how we can create files. So what I will do, go inside the sample testing, right? Now we will ask it OSH, create a file name as um, sample.txt, and add a I am return in the file, right? Let's see what it will do. Okay, so you can see it's given as a prompt. Okay, this is what it will do, and we will simply say yes. So it has created sample.txt. Now we will see it, right? Now I will ask it, show me the file content, show me what is written in the file name sample.txt in current directory, right? Now see what it will do. What? Show me the file content in sample.txt. Okay, okay, oh, it, okay, we need to give it the sample.txt current directory, right? Okay, and you can see finally. So we need to provide it like the current working directory or the file location, then it will do it, right? You can see these are the examples. Now one more thing we will do, we will ask it to compress file name sample.txt and then remove sample.txt from current directory. Okay, let's see what it will do. Okay, so guys, you can see it has been done it, right? So this is how we can use the OSH, which is Ollama shell helper. Okay, it has been developed by what the GitHub repo, which is called as Charian/OSH. It's a fantastic tool actually. Yeah, I like it. Now what we will do, we will ask it OSH create directories as U02 app Oracle product duct and then 19c, right? And change add as change current working directory to it, right? So you can see it as it is generally creating it, right? And then it will go it, just press yes and we will have this, right? So you can check whether it has been created or not. LSLD, right? And you can see it has been created right now, and but it haven't right, cd to it, and we can cd it, right? So this is how we can test it, right? What I will OSH remove entire recursively remove directory and sub directory of, okay, we no longer wanted it, right? So it will do it. Yes, now let's see. Okay, there is no such directories there, right? Hey, but still it OSH remove U02, right? LD U02. So you can see. So this is how we can ask the OSH. We can ask the Ollama Qwen2.5-Coder model to do the to interact with the shell itself using the OSH. So this is how OSH will be helpful. If you are getting the issues with the GPT, which is Shell-GPT, then you can use OSH. Okay, so it is simple kind of MCP, which is okay, model context protocol, that will fill the bridge between your Ollama models and your Linux terminal. Okay, so this is how we can use it. So hope guys you like it. Thank you for watching this video and bye bye.